we have a 1970 Pontiac GTO. You can see the doggy on there with the pirate. Anyway. You got the tan interior, high back bucket seats, 4 speed on the floor. Gauge package underneath the dash. Typical deck, you know, aftermarket, I believe. That's a cop car they got over here as part of the show. Hear that siren back here. Orange, remember when they came out with the Judge? I think it was 1969. I think it's when they started making these orange like this. GTO. By 79, they started like painting the GTO on here versus putting like chrome GTO. Nice body style and everything. You can see that's when there's wraparound turn signal lights incorporated into the bumpers, and you have dual exhaust, dual tip dual exhaust. This car's still like, you know, they were still muscle cars, and even 1979. Sweet ride.